Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Cir Monopoly video. Today, I'm going to be playing Teardown. And in Teardown, I'm going to be doing the sandbox map of Villa Gordon. If you think that this isn't going to be exciting, then you're completely wrong, because, well, you see, I've downloaded so much content now on Teardown that there's, like, nothing else for me to do. I mean, not, of course not, but I've kind of misplaced all of it. So, I didn't even realize I had this until just recently. So let me show you guys what I mean by that. So if I go into here and I scroll all the way down to Tear NG and I click on machines, then I have Car Crusher and Hammer. I don't think the hammer really works, but the Car Crusher definitely does, and it crushes everything, not just cars. And it only goes down so far. So let me test myself first, just to make sure it's safe, because it doesn't have like the AI built in, so it won't crush people. Nope, apparently not. So now I'm stuck. Oh, but I can still get out. So that's nice. But now, can I go back in? Oh yeah, I can. And then I just start freaking out a little bit. Oh my gosh. Alright. So now let's start to... Oh, this is kind of blinding. Problem solved. Alright, now let's get a car. Let's just start with a military jeep. Let's see what kind of damage we can do to that. Alright. Just right there. Perfect. And oh my gosh. It's freaking out like crazy. Alright. So can I make it go up? Oh, I can't. So what if I bring it down? Because the physics gun is extremely powerful. And I do it like that. Now I can make it go that... Okay, that's very confusing, but this thing is still drivable somehow. Although, I'm not sure how realistic that is. But yeah, I can still drive it, and apparently pretty well, actually. Because I'm going absolutely insane right now. No idea why I did that, but basically this is an entire racetrack right here. So, without further ado, ooh, this box truck might be nice. Sorry about that, Mr. Box Truck, but I'm gonna have to borrow you to kill you. Don't worry, it's not alive. Okay, okay. Oh no, whoa. Oh, I got caught back there. Alright, let's do right there. Get on the other side. Let's load something in the box truck, just to, you know, protect it maybe a little bit. Let's do the armored van. Alright, that's not gonna fit. The military jeep, I guess? Oh, that fits nicely. Alright, and crush! Oh my gosh. It's actually crushing everything, bro. Oh, jeez, man. Alright. It's freaking out, like, a lot. Hey, this thing still works. Even upside down. Alright, well, I've been thinking about... oh my gosh. Military vehicles. How's this thing driving? Like, BeamNG Drive is so realistic compared to this. Isn't driving... What the heck? Is this like a secret room? No? Just under the stairs, I guess. I'm not really convinced, but I'll have to do. Alright, I've been thinking about military vehicles. Let's do this armored van, and then I have a special surprise. A surprise military vehicle to do. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow, it is crushing that nicely. So I don't think there's anything this thing cannot crush. So let's do the strongest vehicle that I know of. Let's get all this stuff, clean it up like that. This is the gravity gun, by the way, in this Steam Workshop, and this is the physics gun. I think you should download both of them. Alright, and my surprise for you is the tank. See, the tank is the most powerful vehicle that I know of, like I already said. Let's see if we can crush it. It should have no problem, but... Yo, what? It's actually not able to crush it, man. It can't. The tank is actually, like, hitting it a bunch. Is the tank even damaged? No, if you look at the bottom, it says tank, vehicle condition, and it's at full. That is crazy, man. Can the tank just not be damaged? Alright, I have another idea. Alright. This will kind of... There we go. Come on, man. Come on. Oh my gosh. This is kind of breaking everything. Alright, well, let's just bring this back up, and there we go. Oh, shoot. It should be fine, right? There we go. Alright, the car crusher is kind of okay, and the tank is still... Oh, it's lost a little bit, and it can no longer drive. Wait, what? The tracks, things are moving forward. What is going on right now, guys? This is kind of scary. I'm very confused what's happening. Are these just, like, treads of doom? What is happening right now, guys? Where am I? What just happened? That is very cursed. That is extremely cursed. Well, I guess I have to die somehow now. Let's use the, I don't know, what should I use? C4? We're gonna use this a little later in the video. Yeah, I think that did it. Alright, well, feels so peaceful, and yet I just, like, destroyed everything. Alright, let's see what happens if can I continue driving? I don't want to get, like, launched again, man. But I'll do it for science. Alright, they're just being kind of disintegrated at this point. What if I back up? Or backing up does nothing. Except throw me all the way on the other side of the map. Guys, it's all the way over there. Why? What? At least it's not. I'm not under the map like last time. That is actually how insane. So, if this no longer works, is it invincible? Oh, it's not. So the tank can be damaged. So then, I don't understand. What if I make it complete? What? Barely going into it made me teleport all the way over there. Alright, I'm no longer getting in the tank. Just for brevity, I guess. Alright, well, the next question then is, can this thing get damaged? Looks like it can't. But I'm going to use the most powerful thing in the game anyways, which is the Revengeance Katana. Alright, that did nothing. Just to show you what it usually does to things. Yeah. Usually cuts straight through them like this thing just did, and also sets them on fire if it can. So, as you can see here, it just sliced easily through that. This is gonna break my game, but... Oh my gosh. Alright, it's fine. But, is there anything I can do? Alright, slash travel distance. Slash radius, let's make that. Slash force. Alright. Bam! Oh my gosh. That completely... It's moving it, but it's not doing anything else. Oops. So that's interesting. What just happened to the tank? Hold on. What? Did you guys just see that? I just got teleported back here. And now the tank is... How did the tank get over here? Oh, that's not the tank, that's the trailer. But this is the most cursed thing I've ever seen. Now I don't even have to get inside the tank. Watch. I'm just gonna... I can hit it. If I touch it, it blows me away somehow. Guys, what if I... Boom. What if I, like, go super high and then land on it? Oh, it does the same thing. Okay, that's really weird. What happens if I get in it? Excuse me, guys. I think I'm allergic to cursed tanks. Where am I now? So now we know I don't have to get inside the tank. All right, I'm just not gonna. I'm gonna send it away, man. It's caused us enough problems. Using the all-powerful physics gun. Yeah. There you go. All right, no longer our problem. We gotta put some other stuff in here. So, all right, guys, what should we put in here? Props. Cars. Gavril D series. Okay. Oh, this is like the BeamNG drive car. All right, let's see. See how this BeamNG drive car stands up. Oh my gosh. What is happening? That is crazy, guys. Can I get in the car? Yeah, that's not gonna do much. Alright. So let's just put it back up. Oh my gosh. Condition is not in good condition. This is actually a pretty cool car. My gosh, drift's pretty cool. Oh, never mind. Gate has been broken. Just clear that out of here. Gate broken. See up at the top? Yeah, I think so. Alright, let's see. Let's do the Gavril series plus one dummy. So now there's a dummy in the seat. Alright, this will actually be interesting to see. What if can I still control it while it's down? Alright, I have an idea. I'm gonna do down and then get in and then do this. See what happens, bro. We're in this together. Oh my gosh. I had to get out. I had to. Alright, let's see. The vehicle is completely totaled, although I can still drive it. But that's normal. And the crash dummy. Let's see. Alright. He's okay. Wait, can he even be damaged? Oh yeah. He can. Alright, so you're lucky, partner. Alright, let's clear out all this junk here. And repeat the process. Plus two dummy. Can I still get in the car even though there's someone in the driver's seat? Oh yeah, I can. And then now I am the dummy. Interesting. Alright, well I'm just gonna do this view now. Let's see what happens. Oh, sorry guys. This thing just got crushed. Let's go back up before it freaks out too much. Let's drive her on out of here. Alright. How the dummies hold up? This dummy is okay. And I don't know. I don't think the car crusher can even damage these guys. Let's see, man. I have an idea. What the? Alright, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go down. What is it doing? Alright, that did like nothing. Let's go back up. Let's move it like there, and then let's go down. Oh my gosh. Yo. So this thing is very strong. So I'm just gonna leave him like that. Actually, I'm gonna take him out of here. Oh my gosh. He seemed in very much pain. Okay. Let's, props. Crash test dummy. Alright, so, oh, now we can have him standing up. Or not, I guess. Alright. Let's see what other props. Duck. It's a massive duck. Let's move right up. And, oh my gosh. Over here, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm crushing the duck, but it's the only way I can fit. Alright, and down. Oh my gosh. The duck is, like, very sad. This is not good. Oh my gosh, the duck is like escaping. What is going on? Alright, so, I guess it is dead. Let's gather up all these scraps here. Bam! Why did I just hear like a plunk sound? Let's do house. Oh my gosh, it's an entire abode. Alright, let's just put it like right there. Okay. Well, let's explore the house a little then. Right, of course. I feel like this is from like the Mr. Beast video when like they brought the crane with the house. That was kind of like, that was like 2 years or more ago. Alright, just a simple house. Not bad. Seems very badly put together though. Yeah. Anyways, get out of here, trucks. I can just toss the trucks. Whee. Whee. What the? Whee. Alright. Back to the action. We gotta pick up all of this stuff now. Gotta pick some more stuff up. Around here. Guess that's it. Alright, now let's do the Impact Attunator Barrel. Oh, this is like one of those like water barrels that they have at like GTA and like those other roads. Oh my gosh. Oh my what the? So I guess it really is a impact barrel, but let's do the blast furnace. Gantry train. That's kinda cool. Terra crane. There we go. Alright, let's see if it can't crush this. Aha! I'm gonna stand on it. My life is now in your hands. Or not. Oh my gosh, it's actually struggling. Can it not be destroyed? Oh no, it certainly can be. I'm gonna make it collapse on one side. Yo, this is like impossibly strong. It's crazy. This is... You deserve this, man. You're gonna go right over there. And you're gonna break another gate. Let's do the skip car. Alright, I'm just gonna force you in there. As damaged as you are, and I'm gonna stand right under this thing. Ah! Oh jeez! Oh no! Ah! Ah. Well, that was unexpected, I guess. Anticlimactic. Oh my gosh, just like smoke and whatever this is everywhere. Alright, let's get in here. Something else. The junkyard. That's a lot of vehicles. What should we do? Tornado. Alright, tornado car. Let's get in the tornado car, guys. How do I enter the car? I guess I can't really. Bye. Oh my gosh, that is kind of like a tornado. Alright, let's go to vehicle spawner. Military? So yeah, let's do military. This is just regular stuff. Vehicles. Voxel Plaza. Let's do NPC's robot. Hostile rockets _ big. Oh my gosh. It's cool. Oh my gosh, yo. Oh my gosh, yo. I did not realize this thing would... I've disarmed it. Ah! Oh my gosh. I need something stronger. I need an attack drone. This is not gonna work. I need something stronger. I have an idea. Like I said, my attack drone. Ow! Oh my gosh. Attack drone. Yes, I'm destroying it. Some of this is actually working. Alright. This is working out. Not as expected. I have an idea though. I'm gonna use C4. Alright. I'm gonna get behind this house and boom! Oh my gosh. Well, it worked. What the heck? Oh my gosh, it's still firing! Come on, that'll surely do it. Oh my gosh, I think there's no way you can kill it. Ow! Okay. I'm gonna restart the entire map. And then I'm gonna spawn one of these guys and try and take it out with C4 again. That was kind of crazy. That was really big. And spawn in here. Where was it? It was Voxel Plaza, and then I think it was NPC's robot. Hostile fire. Huh. Hi, hello, buddy. Oh. I guess that's that. Let's try it again. Let's just do the first one. Ally guns. Oh, what if I... No, do not kill yourself. What if I do hostile guns? Will they fight? No? Oh, they are. Ah! Get him! Ow, almost dead. Oh. There you go. Alright, it should be fine now. You. Should take care of it. Thank you, man. It's still firing at it. You're gonna hit my house. What is it doing? Is it still alive? Alright, I'm just gonna let it do that. Let's do ally guns big. Oh my gosh. Alright, and then if I do hostile rockets big. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. It's Clash of Titans. Or not. Guess I'm alone here. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna have to... There we go. Stop attacking my house, man. Alright, thank you. Let's do ally rockets. Ally rockets big. That was kind of satisfying to hear that sound though. No idea what I'm doing, but let's do instructions. Can I read this? Instructions: press Alt R to disable respawn. Big robots always know your position. Great, man. Can I just toss him? I barely did anything, bro. Did I kill him? I might have. Hold on. Let me get him back to me. This is taking an odd turn. I did not expect to do this, man. But, let's see. Are you still alive? Yes, okay. Could you stop firing, or I'm going to have to do something really... Actually, what happens if I just take out my airstrike? Why can't I just go... Bop! Bye-bye. Well, that seemed to silence him. Bop. Whoa, 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 buddy. What is happening right there? Are you an evil guy? Are you evil? Excuse me. Are you guys both the evil guys? No, I don't think so. They're shooting at them. Yo, can they kill me? Hey, I'm over here. Bad guy. Shoot, they're shooting that way now. Yeah, what? How come as soon as I step out of the way, they shoot? Maybe they won't shoot me. Come on, come on. Dang it. Yes, yes. Oh man, I'm trying to die. Alright, that doesn't really matter. I'm gonna take out these guys now, and then I'll let you guys be on your way. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. And, you know, we just hit 100 subs a few days ago. So, thank you so much indeed for that. Here's your fireworks. Cir Monopoly out.